Okay, well, we could have stopped here, but we have some new stuff coming out of HP Labs that we are going to bring to market later this year. And since you flew from around the world, or around the country, or around Los Angeles, we thought we'd give you a sneak peek. So this sneak peek is a technology demonstration, not yet a product announcement. But we felt like this is so special, let's give you a shot, okay? And what's really neat is that this takes advantage of and is optimized for a multi-core CPU environment. What I'm talking about is a software product called HP SkyRoom. So what we're going to do is roll a very short video, give you a quick feeling for what it is, and we'll do a live demonstration. So if you could roll the video, please. So that's HP SkyRoom, and you know, riding over here today in the car with Kurt from Intel, listening to Alec, listening to customers all over the world for the last number of years, we all know the world is globalizing, right? Design teams in Los Angeles, in Munich, and in Asia. Intel factories and design teams all over the world. We can't afford, we don't have the time to travel everywhere and improve the decision-making process. Right? Reach out to our customers, have an intimate experience, not just with video, not just with a static image, but with rich, three-dimensional or moving high-definition images. To be able to collaborate with up to 4 people at once from your desktop or your laptop. That's what we're talking about. So this technology, HP SkyRoom, comes from the heritage of Hewlett-Packard Laboratories. For the last number of years, we've been shipping a technology called remote graphics software. Many of you who have been with us through these years know what that is. It lets you share in real time, three-dimensional, high-definition, rich media content over a network anywhere in the world, 4 times faster than the blink of an eye. We've combined this in the industry. So what I've done is I sent off my director of marketing into the far bowels of the BMW Design Works building. And I want to show you this technology, because until you see it, you may not believe it. So here's the opening screen of HP SkyRoom. It's got like a buddy list. Okay, and Jeff is going to talk about how you connect with your buddies. On my buddy list is Mark Hurd, the CEO of Hewlett-Packard, Todd Bradley, who runs the PSG group within Hewlett-Packard, but I think they're busy. So I'm going to connect to Jeff Wood. And it's easy as clicking on somebody's name, it says available, and hit the connect button. And here I am, here's Jeff.
Hello, Jim.
Jeff, how you doing, man?
Great, you?
Wie geht's heute?
I didn't know you had so many friends.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Hey, I'm going to stretch you out and show off how the software optimizes itself.
You're stretching me out.
I'm stretching you out. And in fact, I don't want to see the crowd, so I'm going to minimize the crowd, and now we've got just Jeff on the screen.
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Hello, they said hello. Let's see, so I've talked about what it is. Jeff, why don't you tell us how SkyRoom works?
You know, it's a great new tool, Jim. I think many of the folks in the audience probably have heard of the Hewlett-Packard Halo telepresence studio solution that we have. That was a collaborative effort with DreamWorks. And fortunately, they're going to get to see that at DreamWorks tonight in action. But what we've done is taken this technology, which was actually developed at HP Labs in California, and it's a very rich, high-fidelity video and audio solution, and now we're bringing that down to the desktop. So for folks who don't want to spend the money for telepresence studios, they can have a rich collaborative solution in their environment at their desktop and share and collaborate with up to 4 participants with the new HP SkyRoom software.
Very good. What is it that's unique about our software versus what's out in the market?
Well, again, it's the high-fidelity nature of the video and audio. You won't get this class of quality from any of the standard free software solutions that are in the industry today. And what's even bigger advantage for us is we offer rich media application sharing software integrated into this product. Would you like me to show you an example?
I'm just dying to see it, Jeff.
Wonderful. Let me share my desktop with you. What I'm doing here is actually dragging a bounding box around an area on my display, which effectively is the lens that you can see into my application environment here. And as you accept that, you can see that I've got an application here that can actually share in real time a 3D environment. So this is something that no one else can do with this high fidelity and the class of performance that we can have. This is very unique to Hewlett-Packard with our new compression algorithms that we've developed again at HP Labs, and something that offers a rich collaborative environment for folks that may be geographically distributed within their companies, or if they want to share designs with some of their partners or some of the folks that they work with from a supplier perspective. So you can see the interactive performance that we can have, as well as being able to communicate face-to-face.
Hey Jeff, maybe you can show, this is not application specific, can you show us a cool movie?
Sure, let's take a look at the great Z video.
Yeah, I mean a really cool movie.
Oh, that one, here we go. So you can see here we're running full frame rate, 30 frames per second, not dropping any of the aspects of the video itself. And again, that's something that's very unique to our software, and the performance is just stellar, sharing across the standard TCP/IP network.
Very good. Hey Jeff, why don't you disconnect the sharing, and then I'm going to share from here to Jeff so you can see what it's like to share to another person.
Great idea, Jim. Let me close my window here.
Thank you for saluting your boss.
Absolutely.
Here you go. Okay, so literally you just click a button, and then you highlight a portion of your screen that you want to share. And I happen to have that same model, and now Jeff is seeing whatever is in that frame, whatever is in what we call the lens. Yeah, so if you want to share and move this around, you won't see what's on Jeff's screen right now, but I can do everything to this model, and he's seeing that on his screen. It's that simple. As you connect another person and another person, they will all see what's in the lens. So again, you can have up to 4 people simultaneously on video, and each of them seeing whatever you want to share. Pretty cool. Yeah. All right. Jeff, is this available only for Hewlett-Packard, or how does this work?
Absolutely not. We're actually going to support this on all standard systems. The minimum requirement from a system perspective is running at least 2.2 gigahertz on a dual-core solution, whether it be a notebook, desk-side system, or even high-powered workstation. The value becomes, if you're running a workstation class product, as we talked about the multiple core technology this morning with Intel, we've really architected this new software to take advantage of those multiple cores, the hyper-threading technology, so your experience is going to be far richer as you run a higher powered workstation. You can run faster frame rates, you can run higher resolution video, and certainly your application sharing environment will be that much better.
Very good. All right, Jeff, thank you so much.
Great to
there
talk
you go.
to you.
That's HP SkyRoom.